Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake an easy way. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F and press a graham cracker crust into a springform pan. Beat cream cheese until smooth, add sugar, eggs one at a time, and fold in sour cream. Pour batter into crust and bake in a water bath for even baking. Cool completely, chill for at least 4 hours, then serve with fruit or sauce. Gather simple ingredients so you can move quickly. 24 ounces cream cheese, 1 cup sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 cup sour cream, and graham crumbs for the crust. Use room temperature eggs and cream cheese to avoid lumps and overmixing. If you prefer a smaller cake, have the recipe and use a 7-inch pan. Keep toppings simple like fresh berries or a light fruit sauce to complement the creamy center. Work gently and patiently to get a smooth, creamy cheesecake. Beat cream cheese on low speed until uniform, then mix in sugar and eggs without whipping in too much air. Seal the springform pan with foil and bake in a water bath to maintain even heat and prevent cracks. After baking, let the cake cool in the oven with the door slightly open, then chill thoroughly before slicing for clean pieces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.